Salford, a leader of tillage innovation since 1978 and continuing to push boundaries in technology. In 2020, releasing a new line of products unlike any other. A high-speed tillage platform, one-frame design. Built with Salford's reputation of strength and maximum efficiency. Tillage engineered to carry multiple ground-engaging modules. Introducing the Halo series. The HSD high-speed disc, dependable aeration from the AerWay. And introducing the versatile Halo Variable Rate VRT, the newest model added to the Halo series of tillage implements, built to adapt for any field conditions thrown at it. Built to get you where you need to go with no limitations. Built for speed to get you through the field and at the table. Built for durability. Built with Salford reliability. Built for tillage, how you want it and when you need it. The Halo is engineered to uphold the Salford over 40-year reputation of innovative tillage and prepare to provide a solution for everyone. Meet the next generation to add to your tillage lineup, the Halo fleet. Introducing the new VRT, built from the ground up. Salford, field your best.